Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a WhatsApp backup on XIAOMI 15T. Okay, to create a backup we need to open up our app. Now click on those three dots in the top right corner, open up the settings, find chats, scroll down, click on chat backup, and now we need to discuss a few things. Let's begin with the Google account. Currently, in my case, this Google account is selected, and it means that on that account, our backup will be saved and stored. So for example, if you want to restore your backup in the future, you'll need to be logged into the same Google account that you have selected right in here during the backup process. Of course, if you want to add a new account, simply click on add, and then log into another account. And when it comes to the automatic backups, defaultly this option is set on off. In my case, I put it only monthly, which means that each month the backup will be automatically made and I don't need to do this manually. Pretty cool thing. Of course, you can pick between other modes also. Alright, we have option to include the videos in our backup also. Defaultly it's disabled, so I highly recommend turning it on. And if you want, on the bottom we have end-to-end encrypted backup. If you choose to turn on that feature, you'll be able to create a unique password that you will need to type in the future if you want to restore your chats. But be aware that if you create a password and when you forget it, you won't be able to restore the chats. So, but it's not necessary to create it. It's like an extra security feature. So if you choose to create a password, don't forget it. Alright, now make sure that you have some free Google storage space. And now click on backup to start the process. Okay, in my case it has been already. It's finished. We can take a look on the last backup. If you take a look on the hour, they are the same, so it means that everything went successfully. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.